What is contrast and why is it important in painting? For our purposes, contrast is the scale of color from light to dark in any finished artwork. Even in a black and white image, many different shades exist between stark white and the darkest black. The lighter shades are called highlights, and the darker shades or shadow can be called lowlights. Let's consider this classical self-portrait by Judith Leister, painted all the way back in 1630. The contrast of this image is defined by the lightest highlights on her face and the darkest shadows under her hand and arm. Contrast can also help create the illusion of distance. The dull contrast of the painting within a painting in this image gives a sense that it's further back in our frame of view. The shape and placement of shadows gives the viewer information such as direction of light source or the time of day. This Edward Hopper painting example portrays great daytime contrast. This example by Fitzhenry Lane shows an excellent example of how lower contrast can help portray dawn or dusk lighting. Do you feel that you understand the concept of contrast? Comment below with your questions and I'll do my best to answer you quickly. Please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more lessons in art and acrylic painting. Thanks for watching!